Welcome. If you've been missing Snapchat messages or want them to grab your attention instantly, turning on pop-up notifications for snaps and chats is the way to go. It only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss anything important again. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app controls live. Once you're there, scroll down until you find apps and tap on it. You'll see a full list of everything installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in that list and tap on it. This opens the app's specific settings. From here, tap on Notifications. This section controls how and when Snapchat alerts you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This is where things get more detailed, letting you customize exactly which alerts you want and how they appear. In the list of categories, find Snaps and Chats and tap on it. This is the one that controls notifications for messages and snaps from your friends. Finally, look for the option called Show as Pop-up and toggle it on. Once enabled, your messages will appear as pop-up notifications on your screen, even when you're using other apps. And that's it.